Drivers behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, rebuild.
We've got 5 of our 6 bots moving 50-10, going to the center to gather some fuel. Unfortunately, they get beached on the fuel. We've got night bots, and we're both night teams firing fuel into their goal, as well as the human players launching some in. As we end the autonomous period, Blue Alliance will end up leading. Blue Alliance will lead 23-7 as we enter the teleop period. That means Red Alliance gets the first shift. We've got the night bots gathering fuel from their depot. They're ready to score it during the next shift. 50-10 is still beached. Their runner 84-32 does get them unstuck though. Team 45 is near to the Red Alliance's side, gathering fuel. Red Alliance shift is active. 50-10 looking to unload their hopper into that. And they are successful. Red Alliance has now taken the lead 35-25. We have the Night Robotics unloading more fuel in the Red Alliance side as storage for later. 50-10 doing the same. Blue Alliance shift is now active. We see the Technocats getting ready to score along with the Tech Pups. Looking to close that lead, they have. Your scores are currently 81-45 as the Red Alliance hub will go on. Night Robotics scoring more in 50-10, unloading their hopper as well. Night Robotics gathering some of the fuel they stored earlier to score. They've got some ground to cover if they want to make up this gap during this scoring period. Night Robotics scoring another load of their hopper in 50-10, trying to join them with a few seconds left on the clock for their stage shift. Blue Line shift has started, and you can tell because 45 and the Tech Pups are unloading their hoppers very rapidly. Your scores are extremely close. The Blue Alliance 113 to Red Alliance's 106. Both alliances have made the Energized RP for scoring 100 fuel. With the Tech Pups looking to increase their lead in the last couple seconds before endgame. That reach endgame, both hubs are active. The Red Alliance has some ground to cover if they want to make back that score. Your scores are still very close, 146 to 115. Tiger Dynasty continuing to score into their hub. Night Robotics also scoring. We have a very, very close match. 10 points separate our alliances as we go into the last couple seconds of the match. Night Robotics and Tiger Dynasty looking to close that up, but the Tech... Let's go ahead and see the scores for qualification 46. Your winner is the Blue Alliance, with a score of 177 to 153. Both alliances take home the Energized RP, and the Blue Alliance takes